How to change Wi-Fi hotspot password on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to network and internet. In network and internet, go to hotspot and tethering. And hotspot tethering, go to Wi-Fi hotspot. Here in Wi-Fi hotspot, okay, you can turn on or off by switching off the switch button on the right side. And now you can see the hotspot password. To change this, you'll have to do is tap the hotspot password and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the hotspot password here. Okay, you can change this. And for my example, I changed into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, okay, tap OK button. And now your Wi-Fi hotspot password is changed.